now we are center of the Al-Balad, all city streets. So I'm gonna show you the center area of the street where all three streets are collaborate. So let's go to the center of the streets, and I will show you it's a beautiful and unique cultural buildings over there. Okay, so we are at the center of the streets where all streets are collaborate, and we will show you the oldest building. You can see this is a very old and very inherited cultural buildings over there. This is also a Jeddah old art association. Come with me and I'll show you. This is Jeddah Old Academy of Fine Arts. This is a fine arts academy, and this looks like now. So this is Jeddah Fine Arts Academy. You can see over there, and you see the buildings. This is iconic, old Jeddah Rawashin, and you see the buildings over there. Okay. So now this retreat will go to the Bob of Mecca, Jeddah, and it will there will be a gate for Bob Mecca gate. So now I'm going to show you the one of the museum which hold the unique and antique products. So let's go to the museum. Okay guys, we are inside of the museum, and let me show you this wonderful piece of antiques you can see here. Yeah. This is some kind of a water cooler, or maybe rinse cooler. They are used like that. You can see here. This is so old. You can see this made of copper, run by black coal to boil water used in Hejazi to make a tea. It is over 100 years old. These are all 100 years old. And they are making for tea and something like that they will drink on that era. So you can see a lot of cooler, what we can say boiler, it is used. Yes, we can say the boiler. Yes. Okay, this is also some of our made for copper plated with chrome, run by black coal to boil water, and engraved with old inscriptions. Yeah. There are many more over there. Yes, this is also pretty copper and by gas to boil water used in Hejazi to make a tea. Oh, this is so nice, so beautiful actually. Contains a set of Arabic coffee, Turkish coffee, as well as a set of tea and other set for Jews from the last century. Hi. This is a water jug, and mostly used for drinking water, and like Measuem, like drinks, soft drinks. Okay, that's it from it. Okay, so we're going back to the entrance. Let's move on.